Okay, so a lot of people liked my burping video, I guess, because I got a lot of comments and messages from people saying that I should make another one. And obviously I have no life, so I'm gonna make another one. That was gay. Sweet. Okay, well, here it goes. Wow, that was, I don't even know what that was, but you can't even say that was anything because it was stupid. Okay. What the crap? Okay. That's okay. You know, I'm just gonna get warmed up. Here we go. Oh my god, this is stupid. Okay, here we go. For real this time. That's a pretty good one. Gotta give me a little props for that one. Okay. Woo! Okay, my heart hurts really bad. We're good. Alright. I'm in my room, by the way. My gay, retarded room. Sweet. Okay. I don't know. Blah!